So once you're in ChurchTechU, I will send you a link that will take you to a page that looks a lot like this. It won't have the green bar down on it just yet, but it should take you this. This is basically the sales page, except you'll notice 100% off original price. So click on Enroll in Course, and depending on if you're a yearly member or a monthly member, click the one that you are that has the 100% coupon discount on it. Should say free next to it, and click Enroll in Course. Now once you do that, it should take you to this next page. Actually, this page right here. And you'll see that we've got a few different resources. We've got books, which has direct links to all my books, a link to the private Facebook group, and a course list. Now you could click here under included courses to get there. That's probably a faster way because it takes you directly there. But you can also get there by clicking on this, and clicking on this, and it takes you there as well. So either way should take you there, and then you'll see that you have all these courses that you're enrolled in, and you can start taking them, ask your questions, and go from there. So that's just a little bit of something showing you the inside of what it looks like inside ChurchTechU.